Hello everyone, I am Sharan Kumar TM, Assistant Professor, BATM College, Ballari. Last class we have discussed two types of corrosion control methods, that is, one is metal coating method, another one is inorganic coating method. Today I am going to explain one more type of protection method, that is cathodic protection. So, cathodic protection is nothing but in order to change the characteristics of feature of the metal. Means in this method we have to convert the anode material into cathode. So, once we convert the anode material into cathode, the cathode is always accepting the electron. That is why the corrosion is not takes place on the surface of the cathode material. In the cathode protection method, just we are converting the anode material into cathode material by reversing the flow of electron. Means the anodic reaction is converted into cathodic reaction. Once we convert the anodic reaction into the cathodic reaction, the momentum of the electron is takes place from the anode region to the cathode region. That is why we can easily control the formation of corrosion on the surface of the metal. Now, the first cathodic protection method is sacrificial anode method. Sacrificial anode method is one of the best method we are using to prevent the formation of corrosion on the surface of the metal. In this method, we are using the more active metal as a anode. So, normally we know that iron is easily undergoes corrosion takes place. In order to avoid the corrosion of that iron metal, just we are using the more active anode material. So, that more active anode material, it is attached with the iron metal. So, once it is attached with the iron metal, the anode it undergoes corrosion takes place and it is protected the cathode material. It is nothing but, so the anode itself sacrifices, then it protected the cathode material. So, that is why it is called it as sacrificial anode method. The next one is, the second one cathodic protection method is impressed current method. Impressed current method we are applied in the buried pipe. Buried pipe is nothing but the pipe is present in the soil. Say if we want to protect the iron metal or the pipe is present in the soil material by using the impressed current method. So, in that impressed current method also we are using the particular anode material as a external source. By using the external source of that material, just we are flowing that electron takes place from anodic region to the cathodic region, or in order to change the anodic reaction into the cathodic reaction by using the suitable anode material. Just once we are insert the anode material, then the buried pipe is act as a cathode, then the anode material it undergoes corrosion takes place, then it protected the buried pipe. So, once we use the anode material, the flow of electrons takes place from anode region to the cathodic region is nothing but in the buried pipe region. That is why here we are using some external electron. The external electron is from the anodic reaction. So, that is why this is also one of the best method we are using to prevent the corrosion on the surface of the metal. For more information, please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.